Whoa.
It's literally steaming.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today, well, is a video. I know you guys are thinking, Kevin, you haven't uploaded in like 2 months. What is wrong with you? What happened? Are you okay? Oh, I'm just fine. I'm just fine. Today is special because it's the first day I have ever taken off my new job. And as far as like time off and PTO and whatever, this whole world is new to me. So it's exciting. We got a day off. We finally got a day to film, kind of do whatever we want. So I'm on my way to get a haircut right now because, well, that obviously just hit the gas station, got some cash from the ATM because my barber's only cash because nobody likes to pay taxes, right? And this weekend we were also going on a little road trip, going back to the homeland. I don't even want to say homeland. We're going back to the old college town to go watch a little grad ceremony. Jessica's graduating. We're gonna see Carson. He'll be there, my little brother. Update, by the way, speaking of Carson, ladies and gentlemen, the C63 has been sold. It is actually for sale, I believe, still. If it hasn't already been resold. He sold it to this guy who's just trying to flip it, essentially, which we knew when he actually sold it to him. It's gone. It's out of his hands. It is winter time. It's actually December, and it looks nice out, right? It looks beautiful. It's 40 degrees. It's not bad. I feel like this intro has just kind of become me giving you the weather update because I don't know how to talk in front of a camera anymore because I haven't done it in 2 months. Guys, we are closing in on 10,000 subscribers. 10,000! That's 5 digits. That's insane. If we hit 10,000 by my birthday, which is in late March, I'll be a very happy man and we might do a little giveaway. So let's make that happen. If you got friends that like cars and whatnot, shenanigans that we do on the channel, tell them to go subscribe. Looks like we've got some traffic because we got a little Friday accident. Looks like an ambulance, fire truck chilling behind there. Hope everybody is okay. Whoa. Drive safe. Speaking of driving safe, I'm gonna put my phone down. I'm gonna go to this haircut and we will catch up here in a little bit.
Ladies and gentlemen, you may be thinking, what in the world am I looking at? This is my humble abode, my apartment, and this is the new spa they have added overnight with hot water coming through the carpet floor. I don't know if y'all can see that, but that is standing water from, it looks like a pipe bursting. So good times. Thursday morning. I'm working from home today, and this is not what I expected as far as what would be taking my time up. So yeah, I gotta deal with this. Maintenance has already come out here, but they gotta call somebody to extract the water. This is one of like 6 or 7 maintenance issues I've had this year in just the last 5 or 6 months since I've been in this apartment. So it's kind of fun. I can throw up on the screen a couple of the others. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's literally steaming. And there's like, I don't know where the actual source of the issue is. I think it's like right there. But it is turned into this nice, warm, wet, soggy surprise. So, happy Thursday. I am working from home today, so it's a bit inconvenient as I have to take time out of my day and my business to deal with such disasters. So I don't even know how I'm going to go about anything, really. But, step 1, get everything out of the room. Here we go.
Ladies and gentlemen, day 2 of Christmas. We are on the way back to the apartment that flooded, and we're gonna see if a couple things have changed. One, we're gonna see if they locked my door overnight. That would be cool if they did. 2, I am expecting a couple Amazon packages because I wait till the last minute to shop. I bought myself a couple things, which is cool. I bought Adams Graphene Ceramic. So we're gonna do my car this winter. I got myself a monitor because I'm working from home for the next little bit. Splurged a little, had some Amazon gift cards I had to use, so we'll be seeing that here shortly as well. Hope everyone's staying safe, staying healthy this Christmas and holiday season. Let's check to see the aftermath.
Ladies and gents, day 2, not a good sign with the 3 trucks out front. Oh, 4! We got 4! Oh goodness, it's gonna be a party in there. I'm just Oh, I'm just excited to see what we got cooking today. It sucks because it's Christmas Eve and I wish all these people didn't have to work on my stuff, but flooding emergencies don't take days off, I guess. Oh my, oh, this is my bedroom. This is what it is now, ladies and gents. We got a crater and still soggy, still very soggy. Interesting.
Merry Christmas, ladies and gentlemen. You can't see it, but I'm wearing a brand new Adams Clean Car Club hoodie, and it's sick. It's probably by far my most favorite gift I received. This lighting is absolutely crazy because it's right in my face. We're about to assess the situation back at the apartment because I know you guys are just dying to see the update. The lighting did not get better, but our hopes that my apartment did are still alive and well. We're gonna see. My bet is they did not lock the door and it's still not done because I have very little faith in my horrible apartment. It's just unfortunate, really, all around. We're gonna assess and take it from there.
Moment of truth. Let's see if there's 11 plumbing trucks. Oh, there is not today. That's either a very good sign or a very bad sign. We'll see what it is, I guess. All right, let's see if they left it unlocked. Oh, thank goodness. Jeez. They left my door unlocked for the last however many days and have made no progress. And oh yeah, it smells horrible in here. You can't smell it on the screen, but if you could just take a big sniff through the screen, maybe we can kind of share the same emotions I'm going through right now. My apartment looks like a tornado went through it because I had to move everything from my bedroom. This is an absolute disaster, to be honest with you. Should I call out the apartment I live in? Should I do it? What do you guys think? I don't know. They're handling this horribly. The day after Christmas. Day number 3, 4? And absolutely no progress, ladies and gents. I hate to keep bringing you the bad news, but unfortunately, still no progress made. I still got buckets of, looks like concrete, whatever's in there. And this is the state of the bedroom. So, no bueno for sure. It smells horrible. It smells getting worse. Just not good overall experience. So, luckily I'm working from home this week and I'll be able to go into the office tomorrow, email them, communicate, but it sucks because my whole apartment is in disrepair, like because I had to move my entire bedroom out of my bedroom. So I've got sheets, laundry, my bed. It's just horrible. So got the triple monitor set up here for work, which is great. So at least we'll be able to do that efficiently and effectively. My whole bedroom is scattered throughout my apartment and it smells horrible. Unfortunately, this is what we're dealing with this holiday season. If you guys somehow know where I live already, then you know, but I don't know, it sucks. Sucks big time. Wouldn't recommend anybody live here.
Welcome to a little segment I call the update segment, where we give you a little update about everything in the world. In my world anyways. I hope your world is going well. I hope everybody had a good holiday and a happy new year. My apartment didn't get better. It got worse, actually. We had to escalate it a level, and I'll just leave it at that. Not great as far as the conditions, but we're moving on. We're moving forward. Yeah, in a tunnel right now, so the lighting's wonderful. I'm also on the hunt for housing. I need either a house or an apartment this year. I'm saving up so I can maybe buy a house in like spring or summertime so I can actually have a garage to put this car. I value my car and I value how clean it is and how nice it looks all the time, but it's tough when I'm in a carport. It's just a lot of dirt and crap that gets on the car. So that's one of my resolutions for 2022. I want to buy a house. Is that a resolution? Is that how that works? I hope everybody has a nice, safe new year. And I hope you accomplish your goals too. Write them down, it helps. I gotta start journaling again, man. This has turned from the update segment into a rant. So I have no idea what this video is. If we did a lot and if it was entertaining, hit subscribe, hit like. I think there's just a ton of chaos in this video. 2022, we are uploading. We are groovy, baby. We are attacking 22. With a growth mindset. We are going nuts. I hope you guys do the same, but that'll wrap up the video. We are almost at 10,000 subs, so let's get to 10,000 subscribers. That'd make me really happy, and we can do another giveaway. Adios, we'll catch you next time. Stay safe out there.